In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to draw a circle in Adobe Acrobat 2024. This tutorial will guide you through each step of the process, ensuring you can easily add circles to your PDF documents for highlighting or marking areas of interest. To get started, the first thing you need to do is open your PDF file in Adobe Acrobat. Once you have Adobe Acrobat launched, locate the PDF that you wish to work on and open it within the application. Having your document ready is an essential step before we dive into the drawing tools. Next, direct your attention to the right-hand side of the screen. Here, you will find a variety of tools that Adobe Acrobat offers. Look for the Edit a PDF option and click on it. This action will enable the editing and annotation tools, giving you the freedom to modify and annotate your document as needed. With the editing tools enabled, it's time to focus on your left toolbar. Here, you'll need to locate and click the comment tool, which is represented by a speech bubble icon with lines. This tool is crucial as it provides various annotation options, and it's exactly what we need to start drawing our circle. Now let's delve into the drawing tools. On your toolbar, find the drop-down menu located near the pencil or line icon. Click this drop-down menu to reveal a selection of shapes you can use. From this list, select the circle option. Selecting the correct shape ensures that we are ready to draw a precise circle on our PDF. After choosing the circle shape, move your mouse over to the specific page of the PDF you've opened. You'll want to click and hold, then drag your mouse to draw a circle around the desired area you wish to highlight. The circle will appear as you drag, and you can release the mouse button once you're satisfied with its size and position. This interactive process makes it easy to mark the portions of your document you need to focus on. Customization is the final step. To adjust the appearance of your circle, such as changing its color, border thickness, or opacity, right-click on the drawn circle and select Properties. Here, you have various options at your disposal to personalize how the circle looks on your document. If you find a style you particularly like, you can save time on future projects. Simply check the box labeled Make Properties Default, and this will store your chosen style for next time. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully drawn a circle on your PDF in Adobe Acrobat 2024. Thank you for joining me today, and happy annotating.